beautifully, food can actually help us in another way, not only with controlling blood sugar and providing the compounds that we need to actually build the new tissue. The herbs and spices that make our food delicious and make us want to eat also are packed with infection fighting components. And if you look at any particular herb or spice, you're going to find both things here in varying quantities, but there will be both direct pathogen killing power, where if it was in a petri dish, your cardamom would potentially kill this bacteria, as well as boosting your body's innate immunity, which is a part of the immune system that just kills invaders without knowing or caring what invaders they are. So if you have these herbs and spices directly killing pathogens and boosting your innate immunity to kill pathogens, including even MRSA or these different antibiotic resistant pathogens, the results are mind-blowing. So if you are eating these things, they are going to be in your bloodstream, find their way to your wound, and heal your infection actually from the inside out. So you don't need to be eating crazy amounts of cardamom or garlic or any other spice to do this. That's actually not totally safe, especially if you're on medications or if you have different health conditions. But just the normal, what they call culinary quantities of these things, when used consistently, can add up to incredible healing from the inside out for really any infection anywhere in the body, but especially for wounds because of the direct access to the bloodstream. So I'm not going to list off everything that is on that slide there, but some heavy hitters: garlic, oregano, cinnamon, clove, turmeric, all of these things, and probably whatever herb or spice you can come up with is going to have lots of healing components to it. So eating it consistently, eating a variety of these herbs and spices every single day, hopefully every single meal, will give your body a huge boost in healing this infection from the inside out. So this is the moment to learn how to make a curry if you don't already. Start adding rosemary to your burgers. Start just using more garlic. If you used 2 cloves before, use 4 cloves of garlic now. Put some mustard on that. Put some horseradish or hot sauce on that. Obviously, listen to your body. If every time you eat hot sauce, you feel like you've developed an ulcer, there's lots of other choices than hot sauce to boost your immunity. Don't feel like you need to use hot sauce. Also, if you're on any medications or have any medical conditions other than this wound, you're going to want to check with your doctor before you consume more than a little bit of anything, because some of them can act as blood thinners or as diabetic medications. Actually, a lot of these things will reduce your blood sugar, which is great unless you're over reducing it because you're already on a diabetic medication. So if you're going to use more than a little bit of anything, do check in with your doctor. But if you're using what they call a culinary quantity, it's generally considered safe. The turmeric is the big one. It is quite a potent blood thinner. So if you're even on like that mini aspirin every day, definitely talk to your doctor before you're consuming turmeric regularly. But these things could really be all you needed to bust this infection and kind of get the leg up on it. And as you're doing this, not only are you fighting this infection, you're also fighting cancer that might be growing in your body and you had no idea. Your body is always fighting cancer and you don't know when it needs extra help. These things also reduce oxidative stress, so that's super good for your whole vascular system, your heart, your blood vessels, and most of these things also improve your digestion. Obviously, if they've improved your digestion so much that so spicy you have a stomach ache, back off. But all these things should be helping your entire body, not just this isolated wound.